Hello students, today we are going to write lesson number 7 division in Max Fair notebook. So open your Max Fair book, open index page. After lesson number 6 multiplication, give in serial number 2, write today's date, write in title lesson number 7 division. Now open new page, write today's date here, give heading lesson number 7 division. So first we have to write properties of division. Okay, 3 properties are there. This you are going to write from PDF. Okay, so now we will start exercise 7.1. Question number 1, fill in the blanks using the properties of division. So number 1, 3259 divided by 1. So when we will divide a number by 1, so what we will get? We will get the number itself. So 3259 divided by 1, we will get 3259. Now number 2, 4791 divided by 4791. When number it's, so here the number is dividing by itself. Okay, the same number only. So what we will get? We will get 1 as a quotient. Now number 3, 1570 divided by dash equal to 1. So when we will get 1 as a quotient? When we will divide the number by itself. So we will get the 1 as a quotient. So 1570. Now number 4, 15,932 divided by dash equal to 15,932. So when we will get the quotient at the number itself? When we will divide it by 1. So we will get the quotient as the number itself. Now number 5, 6755 divided by dash equal to 6755. So same here also, when we will get the number itself as a quotient? When we will divide it with 1. So we will get the number itself. Now number 6, 0 divided by 4575. So whenever we will divide 0 with any number, so what we will get? We will get quotient as always 0. Now number 7, dash divided by 3798 equal to 0. So here we are getting quotient as a 0. So what we will divide? We will divide it by 0. Okay. So whenever we are getting 0 as a quotient, means with which number we will divide it with? We will divide it with 0 only. Okay. So that only we will get quotient as a 0. Now question 2, divide. Number 1, 28 divided by 4. So we have to write like this way. So 28 is our dividend and 4 is our divisor, right? So we have to now see in 4 table when 28 will come. So it will come 4 7s are 28, right? So 7 we will write here up and 28 we will write here down. Now here we have to subtract. So 8 minus 8 we will get 0. 2 minus 2 we will get 0. So our quotient equal to 7 and remainder equal to 0. Okay, so whatever here upside, that is known as the quotient. Okay, here down if any number is coming, or otherwise here no 0 is coming, right? So this is our remainder. Now number 2, 95 divided by 5. So 95 we will write inside and 5 we will write outside. Okay, so here 95, here it is a big number. Okay, in 5 table directly it will not come. 5 times are 50 only there. So we will take one number. So first is 9. So in 5 table when 9 will come, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So 10 is the greater number compared to 9. We can't able to subtract. So we will take 5 ones are 5. Now here we will do subtraction. So 9 minus 5 we will get 4. Now 4 is the smaller number compared to 5, right? So what we will do? We will carry down this 5. So it will become 45. So now in 5 table when 45 will come, 5 9s are 45. So here also we will do subtract. 5 minus 5 we will get 0. 4 minus 4 we will get 0. So our quotient equal to 90 and remainder equal to 0. Now next number 3, 484 divided by 2. So 2 we will write outside and 484 we will write inside. So here also we will take one digit. So in 2 table when 4 will come, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 2 we will write up and 4 we will write down. Now here we will do subtraction. 4 minus 4 we will get 0. Now we will carry down the second digit, that is 8. Now in 2 table when 8 will come? Yes, 2 4s are 8. Now 8 minus 8 we will get 0. Now we will carry down this 4. So in 2 table when 4 will come? Yes, 2 2s are 4. So 4 minus 4 we will get 0. So here our quotient equal to 242 and remainder equal to 0. Now number 4, 828 divided by 9. So we will make like this way. 9 we will write outside, 828 we will write inside. So first we will take one digit. So here 8 is there. So compared to 9, 8 is a smaller number. So we will take 2 digit, that is 82. Now in 9 table when 82 will come? 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81 and 9 10s are 90. 90 is become greater number. So we will take 9 9s are 81. So 2 minus 1 we will get 1, 8 minus 8 0. Now this 8 is left, so that we will write down, so it will become 18. So 9 table when 18 will come? 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So now 18 minus 18 we will get 0. So our quotient equal to 92 and remainder equal to 0. Now next number 5, 954 divided by 3. So 3 954. So we will take one digit. So in 3 table when 9 will come, that is 3 3s are 9. So 9 minus 9 we will get 0. Now we will carry down this 5. Okay, so in 3 table when 5 will come, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So 6 is a greater number compared to 5. So we will take 3 1s are 3. Now here we will do subtraction. 5 minus 3 we will get 2. Now 2 is the smaller number. So we will carry down this 4 also. So it will become 24. So now in 3 table when 24 will come? Yes, 3 8s are 24. 4 minus 4 0, 2 minus 2 0. So our quotient equal to 318 and remainder equal to 0. Now number 6, 3162 divided by 6. So 6 we will write outside and 3162 we will write inside. So here we will take 2 digit 31. So in 6 table when 31 will come? 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36. So 36 is greater number. So we will take 6 5s are 30. Now here we will do subtraction. 1 minus 0 we will get 1. 3 minus 3 we will get 0. Now 1 is the smaller number compared to 6. So we will carry down this other digit, that is 6. So it will become 16. Now in 6 table when 16 will come? 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. So 18 is the greater number, right, compared to 16. So we will take 6 2s are 12. Now we will do subtraction. Now 6 minus 2, that is 4. 1 minus 1, 0. Now 4 is the smaller number compared to 6. Okay, it will not come in table. So we will carry down this 2 also. So it will become 42. Now in 6 table when 42 will come? Yes, 6 7s are 42. So we will subtract 2 minus 2 we will get 0. 4 minus 4 we will get 0. So our quotient equal to 527 and remainder equal to 0. Now number 7, 5334 divided by 2. Okay, here also we will take one digit. So first we will take 5. Now in 2 table 5 will come? No, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 6 is the greater number compared to 5. So we will take 2 2s are 4. Now here we will do subtraction. 5 minus 4 we will get 1. Now 1 is the smaller number compared to 2, right? In 2 table 1 will not come. So we will carry down this 3 also. So it will become 13. Now in 2 table 13 will come. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14. So 14 is the greater number compared to 13, right? So we will take 2 6s are 12. Now we will do subtraction. 3 minus 2 1, 1 minus 1 0. Now we will carry down these 3. So again it will become 13. Again we will take 2 6 12. Now we will do subtraction. 3 minus 2 will get 1, 1 minus 1 0, and this 4 is left, that we will carry it down. It will become 14. Now in 2 table when 14 will come, yes, 2 7s 14. So 4 minus 4 0, 1 minus 1 0. So here our quotient equal to 2667, then remainder equal to 0. Now number 8, 2584 divided by 8. So here we will take 2 digit, that is first we will take 25. So in 8 table when 25 will come, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32. Okay, 32 is the greater number compared to 25. So we will take 8 3s are 24. Now we will subtract. 5 minus 4 we will get 1, 2 minus 2 we will get 0. Now 1 is the smaller number, so we will carry down this 8. So it will become 18. So in 8 table when 18 will come, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. So 24 is the greater number, so we will take 8 2s are 16. We will subtract. 8 minus 6 we will get 2, 1 minus 1 we will get 0, and now we will carry down this 4. So it will become 24. So 8 table when 24 will come, 8 3s are 24. Now 24 minus 24 we will get 0. So our quotient equal to 323 and remainder equal to 0. Now number 9, 7848 divided by 9. So 9 we will write out and 7848 we will write inside. So here also we will take 2 digits because 7 is the smaller number compared to 9. So we will take 2 digits, 78. So in 9 table when 78 will come, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81. 81 is the greater number compared to 78. We can't able to subtract, right? So we will take 9 8s are 72. Now we will subtract. 8 minus 2 we will get 6. 7 minus 7 we will get 0. Now 6 is the smaller number, so we will carry down this 4. It will become 64. Now 9 table when 64 will come, that is 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72. So we will take 9 7s are 63. So 4 minus 3 1, 6 minus 6 0. Now we will carry down this 8. It will become 18. So 9 table when 18 will come, that is 9 2s are 18. So 8 minus 8 0, 1 minus 1 0. So here our quotient equal to 872 and remainder equal to 0. Now number 10, 3795 divided by 5. So here also we will take 2 digits, that is 37. Now in 5 table when 37 will come, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40. So 40 is the greater number, right? So we will take 5 7s are 35. Now we will subtract. 7 minus 5 we will get 2, 3 minus 3 0. So 2 is the smaller number, so we will carry down this 9. It will become 29. Now in 5 table when 29 will come, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30. So 30 is the greater number, so we will take 5 5s are 25. Now 9 minus 5 4, 2 minus 2 0. Now 4 is the smaller number compared to 5, so we will carry down this 5. It will become 45. Now in 5 table when 45 will come, yes, 5 9s are 45. So 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 4 0. So here our quotient equal to 759 and remainder equal to 0. Now next number 11. Now 94,206 divided by 6. So here also, here we will take one digit, that is 9. 9 is the greater number compared to 6. So we will take first only 9. So in 6 table when 9 will come, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 12 is the greater number. So we will take 6 1s are 6. So here we will do subtraction. 9 minus 6 we will get 3. Now 3 is the smaller number, right? So we will carry down this 4. So it will become 34. Now in 6 table, when 34 will come, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36. So 36 is the greater number. So we will take 6 5 is 30. Now 4 minus 0, 4, 3 minus 3, 0. Now we will carry down this 2. It will become 42. Now in 6 table, when 42 will come, yes, 6 7 is 42. Now 2 minus 2 will get 0, 4 minus 4 we will get 0. Here 0 left there, so we will write here 0. Okay, 0 means no value, so we will carry down this 6 also. Okay, so whenever we are carrying 2 digit at same time, so in quotient we have to write 1 0 here. Okay, this you have to keep in your mind, that whenever we are carrying down 2 digit, okay, here I have carried 0 also and 6 also down. So whenever like this 2 digit you are writing, that time in quotient you have to write 1 0. Okay, so now in 6 table, when 6 will come, 6 1s are 6. So 6 minus 6 we will get 0. So our quotient equal to 15,701 and remainder equal to 0. Now number 12, 35,721 divided by 7. So we will take here 2 digit, that is 35. In 7 table, when 35 will come, 7 5 is 35. Now 5 minus 5 0, 3 minus 3 0. Now we will carry down this 7. In 7 table, when 7 will come, 7 1s are 7. Now 7 minus 7 0. Now we will carry down this 2. Here also see, 2 is the smaller number, right? In 7 table it will not come only. So what we have to do? We have to carry down this 1 also. Okay, so it will become 21. Now here also we have carried down 2 digits. So in quotient we will write here 1 0. So now 7 table, when 21 will come, yes, 7 3 is 21. So 21 minus 21 we will get 0. So our quotient equal to 5,103 and remainder equal to 0. Now number 13, 79,872 divided by 8. So now first we will take 2 digit. In 8 table, when 79 will come, 8 9s are 72 and 8 10s are 80. 80 is the greater number, so we will take 8 9s are 72. So we will subtract 9 minus 2, we will get 7. 7 minus 7 0. So 7 is the smaller number, so we will carry down this 8 also. It will become 78. So again we will take 8 9s are 72. We will subtract 8 minus 2 6. 7 minus 7 0. We will carry down this 7, so it will become 67. Now in 8 table, when 67 will come, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72. So we will take 8 8s are 64. Subtract 7 minus 4 3. 6 minus 6 0. Now we will carry down this 2, so it will become 32. Now in 8 table, when 32 will come, 8 4s are 32. Now 2 minus 2 0 and 3 minus 3 0. So our quotient equal to 9,984 and remainder equal to 0. Now number 14, 6,12,532 divided by 4. So we will take 1 digit, that is 6. So in 4 table, when 6 will come, 4 1s are 4. Okay, 4 2s are 8. It is a greater number, so we will take 4 1s are 4. So 6 minus 4 we will get 2. Now 2 is a smaller number, so we will carry down this 1 also. So it will become 21. Now in 4 table, when 21 will come, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24. So 24 is the greater number, so we will take 4 5 is 20. Now subtract 1 minus 0 1, 2 minus 2 0. Now we will carry down this 2, it will become 12. Now in 4 table, when 12 will come, 4 3 is 12. Now 12 minus 12 we will get 0. Now we will carry down this 5. Now in 4 table 5 will come, no. So we will take smaller number, 4 1s are 4. Now 5 minus 4 we will get 1. Now we will carry down next digit, that is 3. So it will become 12. Now 4th table when 13 will come. 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. So 16 is the greater number. So we will take 4 3s are 12. We will subtract 3 minus 2 1 and 1 minus 1 0. Now we will carry down this 2. It will become 12. Now in 4th table when 12 will come, 4 3s are 12. We will subtract 2 minus 2 0 and 1 minus 1 0. Okay, so here all numbers we have done and we got remainder as a 0 also. Okay, so up to this much we have to do. Now so our quotient equal to 1,53,133 and remainder equal to 0. Now number 15, 92,313 divided by 9. So first we will take first digit, that is 9. In 9 table when 9 will come, 9 ones are 9. So 9 minus 9 we will get 0. Now we will carry down 2. But 2 is a smaller number, right? In 9 table it will not come. So we will carry down this 3 also. It will become 23. So here we have carried down 2 digits. So we will write here in quotient 1 0. Now in 9 table when 23 will come, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. So that is the greater number. So we will take 9 twos are 18. Now here we will do subtraction. 3 minus 8 is possible? No. So we have to borrow from 2. So this 2 will become 1 and this 3 will become 13. So 13 minus 8 we will get 5 and 1 minus 1 0. Okay, so now we will carry down this 1. So it will become 51. Now in 9 table when 15 1 will come, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54. So it is the greater number. So we will take 9 5s are 45. Subtraction. So 1 minus 5 is not possible. So we have to borrow from 5. So this 5 will become 4 and this 1 will become 11. 11 minus 5 we will get 6. 4 minus 4 we will get 0. Now this 3 we will carry down. It will become 63. Now in 9 table when 63 will come, 9 7s are 63. So 3 minus 3 0. 6 minus 6 0. So our quotient equal to 10,257 and remainder equal to 0. Now number 16, 82,716 divided by 3. So here we can take one digit. Yes, 8 is the greater number. So in 3 table when 8 will come, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 9 is the greater number, right? So we will take 3 2s are 6. So 8 minus 6 we will get 2. So 2 is the smaller number. So we will carry down this 2 also. So it will become 22. Now in 3 table when 22 will come, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. So 24 is the greater number. So we will take 3 7s are 21. Now 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. So now we will carry down this 7. It will become 17. So in 3 table when 17 will come, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. So 18 is the greater number. So we will take 3 5s are 15. Now 7 minus 5, 2, 1 minus 1, 0. Now we will carry down this 1. It will become 21. So in 3 table when 21 will come, 3 7s are 21. So 21 minus 21 we will get 0. Now one more digit is left, that is 6. Now in 3 table when 6 will come, 3 2s are 6. Now 6 minus 6 we will get 0. So our quotient equal to 27,572 and remainder equal to 0. Thank you.